Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electric Heaters. Let's discuss the benefits of our alCove heaters, sometimes referred to as the KCV series. alCove heaters combine the quick comfort of radiant heat along with the sustained warmth of convection air heat. They're installed high up on the wall, close to the ceiling, and heat the objects in the room in much the same way the sun heats the earth and the outside air. As objects in the room become warm, the surrounding air picks up heat by conduction, and the entire room maintains a constantly comfortable temperature with the convection heat. Cove heaters are space-saving. Since alCove heaters are mounted near the ceiling, this saves valuable floor space and eliminates problems with furniture placement that is the typical headache of your standard baseboard. The Cove heater offers great energy efficiency. Because the alCove heaters use both radiant heat and convection heat, the Cove heaters run at a much lower surface temperature to achieve the same level of heat transfer. Rooms feel warmer at a lower temperature, saving homeowners money and reducing energy waste. Cove heaters are safe because alCove heaters are non-intrusive and tucked up high in a room, typically above a window. There is no concern of furniture, drapery, or children coming into contact with the heating source. Cove heaters create a comfortable heat. alCove heaters not only heat the air, but also heat the objects in the room, which means it's able to maintain an extremely comfortable, constant temperature. All surfaces in the room are being heated at the same time. Cove heaters can be used in a zone-based system. By installing Cove heaters in every room, you can easily heat only the areas in use and conserve energy. Zone-based systems are controlled using a programmable thermostat, meaning you can program a heating schedule to heat where you want, when you want. King Electric Cove heaters are made in the USA. For over 60 years, King Electric has delivered American-made smart comfort solutions to families and has built a legacy of trust, delivering unparalleled reliability. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment. If you have any questions or want to learn more, just email us at tech@king-electric.com. Thanks for watching.